Your view of hydroacoustics is about to change, from a scientific point of view, from a technical point of view, and most importantly, from a workflow point of view. EchoView 10, our latest release, includes an exciting new operator called the Code Operator. With a built-in Python interpreter, it can be used for custom algorithm development. This new operator is licensed with the Advanced Operators module, adding even greater choice to our already impressive library. The Code Operator takes advantage of EchoView's ability to read and visualize echo sounder data, whilst applying any algorithm provided in a Python source file. EchoView supports and includes the Python NumPy and SciPy libraries, which offer a wide range of open source, scientific computing and numerical integration capabilities. Python is a popular, fast-growing programming language, with a wide variety of frameworks, libraries and IDEs available for data analysis. Python files can easily be shared between EchoView files and with other users. Code operator variables can be incorporated into your workflow in the EchoView Dataflow window, and the resulting output can be viewed as an echogram. The code operator can be used to transform multiple complex data flow steps into a simple single-step operation. The Dataflow window shown in this image includes 20 variables in pink and grey that are required to generate the composite echogram described in Jeck and Michael's paper from 2006. The code operator can be used to reduce these 20 variables into a single step. These echograms show the output for the 20-step process on the left and the single code operator step on the right. The results are identical. Note that a custom colour scheme has been applied to these echograms. The code operator has the potential to open up an unlimited number of creative solutions, whether it be the simplification of existing workflows or the creation of algorithms that are not currently available with EchoView's existing operators. We look forward to hearing about your creations with EchoView's new code operator. Please feel free to share your ideas with the echo sounding community. For a full list of the many new features of EchoView 10, visit echoview.com today.